Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Anish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So guys, today we're going to talk about a $2.5 billion in NFT sale this week as volume climbs 161%. So let me just share my screen. So you can see MeBits NFT sales surge this week, and during the last 7 days, there's been about 2.53 billion non-fungible tokens NFT sales, up to 161% over the last week. And Ethereum blockchain recorded the most NFT sales with 2.45 billion in aggregate, while Solana network saw around 31.9 million in NFT sales, now across 250,000 NFT buyers this week, so a quarter of a million buyers. The NFT collection MeBits captured about 1.2 billion in NFT sales, and Ethereum NFT, of course, dominated more than 96%. Now, a great number of NFT sales continue to record across top 10 blockchains, with NFT compatibility amounting to about 2.5 billion. So you can see there's an NFT index. You can see it's currently at 2.5. There's about 258,000 buyers. So I think this is something good that we can keep eyes. Now the matrix is up to about 161%. And here are some of the blockchains that are actually hosting NFTs, right? So we have Ethereum, Solana, Ronin, Flow, Wax, Polygon, Panini, Tezos, Theta, and Binance Smart Chain. So of course, the top one is Ethereum as well as Solana. So out of the week top 10 blockchain networks, Theta saw an increase of about 7 days sales by about 490% sales. You can see actually MeBit here. This guy, I mean, if you like NFTs, then I think there's something that you can look at to buy. Now, the biggest sale, of course, NFT was MeBit 13824, and this was sold for 15,000 Ethereum. So this is close to 50.61 million in the last 4 days. So guys, just always remember, you're only buying the serial number that is tied to this particular picture. Anybody can snag this picture. What you are paying for on the blockchain is the serial number that is solely tagged to this particular picture. So the collections, you have MeBits, right? Yeah, the sales, you have Loot, CryptoPunks, the End Project, Bored Apes, Crypto Skulls, World of Woman, Azuki, Mutant Ape, Yoklat, and Penta Bear. So these are some of the top 10 NFT collections in terms of the weekly sales. So while OpenSea is near about 15 billion, Axie Infinity nears 4 billion in all-time NFT sales volume, and this was reported by Bitcoin.com. So let's head over there. I have actually this, which is OpenSea just celebrated their first 1 million registered users who made at least one transaction. So Anthony Pompiliano dropped an exciting tweet about OpenSea in his latest achievement. You can check out his post. Also, a great guy to follow. He was hosted in many of the entrepreneurs, especially Robert Kiyosaki. And we Root Zones, of course, we are a follower of Anthony just to see his thought process on entrepreneurship, especially in the blockchain technology. So OpenSea has now more than 1 million registered users who have made at least one transaction. And someone in the comments said, doesn't mean a lot though. I'm registered and still not buying anything. Just can't spend on ETH or anything else on some comic book. However, more than a million of users now have bought NFT on OpenSea. The surge to the landmark barrier highlights the popularity and appeal of, once again, NFT space. Now, the data also shows that as far as January 2022, OpenSea has seen 2.85 billion in volume and shows no sign of slowing as more and more crypto native begins to seek more diversity, investment, and yield, almost magnetic appeal of NFT. Now, in OpenSea, in the news back in September 2021, it has revealed that NFT craze continues to develop and the crypto space is embracing it. Now, the latest news only fuels the growing popularity of NFTs that surround it. It has just been reported that the NFT market, OpenSea, launched a mobile app for iOS and Android users on Thursday. And this is according to the post on OpenSea official YouTube channel. The online publication, the Block Crypto, notes that the mobile app allows users to connect their OpenSea profile to discover new works, save works, to favorites and filter NFT searches based on criteria such as category, name, collection, and the creator. So stay tuned on Root Zones for more juicy news on NFT, as Manish will slowly cover a series of program on how you can get started on NFT. What is it? Why is it important? And how you can be part of that community. So, will the crypto market always follow Bitcoin's price lead? It may not in future. This asset manager explains. Now, of course, there's a newsletter that's stated Francis Yu, reporter at Market Watch, and he actually shares the latest digital assets on the week so far. So here is a crypto in a snap. Bitcoin, so trading around 42,000, gains about 1.5 over the past 7 days. And Ethereum, of course, lodged a 2.2 loss over the past 7 days. Trading volume, a meme token Dogecoin rallied over 6.9, while other team tokens Shiba Inu recorded a 4.5 gain. So yeah, the crypto matrix, you can see some of the biggest gainers are Oasis Network, Harmony, Near, Dash, and Osmosis. Some of the decliners, right, Olympus, Wonderland, Loopring, Helium, and Celsius Network with a average between 10 to 28% loss in the last 7 days. Now, crypto diversified, as we know, and major cryptocurrencies trade in tandem as investor sentiment shift around the macroeconomics, regulatory oversight, and broad adoption of digital assets. However, such correlations are likely to weaken as the crypto space become more increasingly matured with different industry verticals. Some industry participants have said. Now, every time there's a huge corrections go up very momentarily. Jeff Dorman, Chief Investment Officer at the crypto asset management firm of Accra, told the Distributed Ledger in the interview, saying that some correlation will decrease in the longer time frame, according to Dorman. Now, tokens have various sectors and posted drastically different returns during the past year. Bitcoin gained 25%, while others have rose 216%. Among the blockchain, Terra Luna rallied more than 10,000%, while Solana have gained more than 4,000%. XRP, Cardano posted 160 and 335 respectively. Now, during the same period, DeFi Pulse Index, a capitalization weightage index that tracked the performance of DeFi tokens, gained 42%. Blockchain gaming tokens such as Axie Infinity and Sandbox traded up 16,000 and 13,000% respectively. Now, there's no reason why just because two assets are wrapped in a digital asset wrapper should behave the same. Now, in the same way, why would you expect a healthcare stock to move the same way as gold EFT in the early stage of technology EFT move? They are all EFT doesn't mean they are all similar. Now, the same thing with digital asset. Just because they are wrapped digital asset doesn't make them similar assets. They behave differently and different inputs and drive outputs, according to Dorman. Now, Bitcoin correlation of other cryptos. The chart below shows that proof of stake blockchain, Cardano, metaverse related tokens like decentralized Mana, meme token, Dogecoin, decentralized token, Sushi Swap, and centralized crypto exchanges, Bitcoin, Binance Coin, respectively. Now, the ideal version would be presenting Bitcoin's correlation to the different market value weightage index of various verticals. Some general idea of how Bitcoin has been trading against other cryptocurrencies. The correlation range from -1 to $1. Positive correlation means that the asset has been moving in the same direction, while a negative correlation means that the particular token against Bitcoin moves in the opposite direction. So Bitcoin, of course, has a positive correlation with most of the selected crypto during a specific time frame. The correlation, of course, is notably higher than that of other tokens. Bitcoin correlation with most cryptos selected saw an upstick during the most recent rounds of market sell-off. So very interesting map here. You can actually see this on Coin Matrix, so it's a good website to actually check this out. But again, guys, the bottom line of all crypto is really based on the number of holders, and the number of holders means the number of people believing in a particular project. So if you don't have that belief, then there's no holders. The bottom line is no project can actually take off, for a very simple reason. If you were to compare cryptocurrencies to the stock market, example, Apple shares actually produces phone. Tell me, what does a cryptocurrency actually produces? Now, this is not to spread FUD. It's not a negative connotation, but you can look at things like a metaverse, who example for block, claiming that they will actually create a metaverse that has intrinsic value, that will have utility. So always look out for the utility, and it has to make sense to you. If it makes sense to you that, someday, example for Block or Meta Hero being the gateway to the metaverse, it is something that you see as a potential. Hopefully, if they execute it right, and that's a project that you can invest in. And there's a disclaimer, Root Zones, we have been an advocate for the metaverse, and we like two of those coins which I just mentioned. So that's something to take note. Other things like sectors like the Dow, of course, we have seen a lot of price action has dropped over a period of time because people started to lose interest in the Dow, and the makers and creators of the DAO are generating revenue through the buy and sell. So you got to understand the mechanics of the particular project they are doing, the use cases, and the utility. So stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, of course, you can join us in Telegram group. We tell you what we are trading always, and we do our research and let you know our opinion, right? So of course, it's not financial advice. We are mostly an educational channel. So last news for the night, this altcoin will be the Google of crypto, according to Skybridge Capital founder Anthony Sarashmuchi. Sorry about if I butchered your name. Skybridge Capital founder says that Algorand or Algo will challenge the leading competition in the crypto space, just as Google did in the early days of the internet. An interview with the Digital Asset News, the founder, Anthony says that the investing heavily in Algo, and because he thinks that it will replace many of his competition. He got $250 million in Algorand right now. And you and I, when we were youngsters, we logged into the internet using Alta Vista. I remember that. I think Manish also remembered that. We were using Lycos, American Online, even Prodigy. If you can remember that, then lo and behold, in 1998, the company came along called Google, and the people were like, why the hell do I need that? I've got all these other instruments to access the internet. And then people says, well, it's faster. So it's a machine learning algorithm that is more widespread. It's going to lead to better outcomes. And lo and behold, Google trumped everybody. And I think that is what is going to happen to Algorand. So Algorand, of course, is a proof of stake blockchain that enables developer to build decentralized application for financial services. The smart contract platform is an Ethereum challenger that aims to accelerate transaction speed at a lower cost. And he thinks that ultimately, when big enterprises get on the tokenization side of the market and start working in the DeFi, decentralized finance, they will need something that is scalable like Algorand, secured like Algorand, and ultimately decentralized. So they won't have to worry about capricious inflation slash deflation of what it is, and they are using it as a form of exchange of value. Now, Algorand to me is the future, is going to require more and more people going deep dive, due diligence, and making a decision to choose it. So this was mentioned in the interview of CNBC halftime report in December, and Algorand can potentially flip Ethereum and the leading smart contract platform today. At the time of this writing, Algo is trading at $1.38.
Wow. There's so many cryptos, some new ideas, new use case keep on coming.
So as we are going through, I think a lot of people are trying to find that value proposition, because a lot of people, investors, retail investors, actually get the last of the stick, and most of us are actually holding on to bags of things that did not take off, right? So we will start to see a lot of coins, guys. As we mentioned, only maybe a handful of projects all is needed if you are talking about wealth creation, and maybe the rest of the 90% may not even last 1 year. So that's all I have, guys, for today. I'm going to hand over to Manish. So join us daily live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. 11 p.m. Singapore time and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit subscribe button. Manish, take it away.
So today I'm going to share some important tool which can help you to find one sec, which can help you to find the upcoming NFTs. So finding NFTs before they explode, it's not so easy, guys. And I was doing a research today, and from past couple of days I was doing this research how to find tokens which can, or no, sorry, NFTs which can explode in future. So there is a tool called rarity.tools. This is the website. You can use it to to find out what are the new NFTs are coming. And how you can do that: once you log into this website, come down and click on upcoming. So all the upcoming NFTs will list down here, and before it goes to OpenSea or any other places, it will list down here, and it will give you a future, the date and schedules when they are going to launch it. So these are the some NFTs which is listed today and yesterday, and some of the NFTs which is going to list tomorrow. So one of the most important realizations about the NFT market as a trader is to understand that there is a crucial difference between trading NFT versus trading crypto. So difference with NFT is that the people are competing with this market are still just people sure that might be competing with the whales, people with trading bots and insider, but you are not yet competing with the bank, hedge funds, algorithms. It might not seem that crazy, but think about this way: all of these entities exist for a reason, to make money. Actually urge that entity's sole purpose is to make rich people richer. So now I'm going to share something here which will be more helpful with you guys. I given you the tool with these tools how to find out uh, which are the NFTs are legitimate and has a potential to grow it. So there is some checklist which I want to share with you guys, and it'll be helping. It'll be more helpful to find out your NFTs before they blow up. So, of course, these are the checklists which we are using it for our cryptocurrencies also. So of course, we look for communities, check Discord, and check Twitter's, Telegrams. This community, we see it how big the community is. Later, I will show you with the example. I will access the tool which I just show here, which is rarity.tools, and we'll do all this checklist live and try to find out a good NFT projects and see how our checklist going to help us to find a right NFT which has a potential to blow up. So yeah, the next one is in Twitter also. You don't just see the followers. We have done this for the, I think, Shield project. uh, you have to try to find out, because nowadays with the bot you can get lots of followers, but you have to see that and verify whether the actual engagements are there. There is no bot at all. Verify the active teams. Also you have to see that what are the teams are involved, and the team whether they are in public, and also they have a similar kind of experience. That is very important. If a person like me, I'm not belongs from a gaming industry and I'm coming up with a gaming crypto, means something fishy, right? I do not have a idea of gaming industry, and I'm launching certain tokens on crypto which is gaming based. So of course we had to see their experiences, their past experiences, and find out where they belongs to, what was their past experience, where they involved, and what kind of projects they were associated with. So the active team members is very much important for any other projects. And verify the fan interest, because recently we have seen Shiba Inu and couple of more coins which is just a community based, but it's given a really nice blow up. So similar to that, we have to see what is the fan interest. Are they loyal fans and they are really interested about the NFTs? And in community part, last but not the least, is the community is growing. We have seen that uh, we have seen certain Telegram channel or a Discord where the communities are keep on decreasing. Like I'll just take an example of Ring. If you see, they have started with lots of followers and then suddenly started dropping. So that's the sign of that the project is not doing good. Yeah, and talking about the team, you have to find out is the team is public. I do understand there are certain projects where the team cannot show their faces. the core team members cannot come up. Those DAO projects are have some exceptions. We cannot consider those exceptions here in NFTs, because NFTs are a fan base and definitely a community base. So definitely we want to know the team who behind these NFTs projects. And can you verify the team are real people with the active social media? So definitely there are a couple of checks which Bain also does it. Before he come up with the tokenomics, he goes to LinkedIn, he try to find out the profile and see what kind of experience they are, which industry they belongs to. So these are the checks which we performed before we come up with the tokenomics. And similar kind of things, investigations are also applicable in NFTs. And talking about the website, because the website also gives how legitimate the project is, whether it's the code is copied from somewhere and then somehow the website was built up. So these are the some important points which you have to note when you're doing your research about the NFT. Broken features or a missing links, or the link when you click it, it will take you to a third party website. So that means the website is not neatly created, or they are not serious about the projects. This is what if the website is not working properly, this is what you will get the message from the website. So these are the few checklists we should do it before we start investing on a very new NFT project. So let's do some research live so that you will get some ideas as well. So let's go to the NFT sale, which is rarity.tools. Okay, so let's go for some older NFTs. I just click here in upcoming, and then I'm trying to search some tokens which was launched last week. I saw, okay, crypto was Genesis Spice. Let's see that. Let's go to their Twitter and try to find out followers. Okay, the followers not bad. It's I would say that uh, 10K is like a decent one, not a very good or very big communities, but they have a potential to grow. And also we can see their website. So let's see their followers and engagement of the Twitter handles. So when you see this, they have a follower somewhere around 10.3K followers. Okay, and see the engagement here, it's very less. It's like 4. Okay, you see here the engagements are retweets are 1 2 likes for these tokens. So these are certain things which gives us an idea that it doesn't have a backup from a communities. So let's find out some more project and see, try to find out this Catobotica. Let's see the Catobotica. Okay, this even lesser. So okay, let's see some of the good project. We go down and see. Okay, the ultimate survivor NFTs. So let's see this. uh, yeah, so it's almost everyone are around less than 10K followers. So let's find out some more and see. Yeah, not so. See here, this is 305. So we want to find out a project which has a strong community backup. So let's see. Okay, let's not waste some more time and try to just give you an idea at least how you can find the projects. Okay, so I think the initial ones was good, where we try to find out here is a 10K followers. Okay, then just go to their website. So when you see their websites, the NFT is something that it's a digital art. So the website should also be a kind of very dynamic kind of website which gives idea about the project. So you can see that the website looks quite decent, and they are really good. And they have also given their dates and price for different blockchains. Ethereum, what is the price on Solana, yet to come, and Cardano also they are yet to release, but they are going to come up in all these three blockchains. So try to connect your wallet, see their functions are working fine. Yes, it's working. And let's try to find out their team. All right, so you can see here the team are there, all detail about the team they have mentioned in their website. So it gives a kind of a legitimate vibe from these projects. So we can think that okay, let's invest on this project and get some benefit. Okay, and you can go ahead and find out their roadmaps, what is their project plans. These are the basic things. We have also done it for our tokens, cryptos, or any crypto projects as well. So yeah, these are some checklists you can follow to find out a good project which has a potential to grow in the NFTs. So yeah, and these projects are quite cheap. If you see that it's with 0.04 ETH, so which is very cheap. Now we can invest and we can hold it for some time, and when the time comes, we can sell it off. So this is how we follow the checklist to find out a good projects in NFTs. And let us know if you have any further questions. I will be happy to assist you. Okay, Wayne, let's move on to the
Yeah, thanks
markets.
Manish for sharing that. Some of the tips. Just let us know in the comment section below what you think about what Manish has presented in terms of the NFT. If you know any strategy, do let us know in the comment section. So let's see what's happening over the market side of things. We are still extreme fear right now. Still, as you can see, compared to we are always creatures of habit. So there's always patterns in certain markets. This was the longest that we had last year phase, and seems like we same pattern is repeating itself. Could this last more than much? Who knows, right? I don't have a crystal ball, but all I know is that we are just bordering over $2 trillion with a few money exchanges into some of the crypto. So if you look across the board, the average loss is about 1% to 10%. Of course, it goes further as we go. We have 16,000 over crypto in the market, 400 over exchanges. Market cap right now 2 trillion. Trading also volume have actually dipped since yesterday, and also Bitcoin still holds about 40%, while Ethereum holds about 20%. Top three coins: Meta, Doge, DeFi, Degen, Len, and Hector DAO. Bitcoin, of course, in the last 24 hours is down by 1.54, Ethereum down by 2.90, BNB down by 5.30, Cardano is slightly up by 8%. Solana is down by 5.45, XRP down by 2.10, Terra Luna down by 5.58, and Polkadot down by 5.64. So even if you look on the 7 days mark, you can see that it looks bullish. But if you look over at the 30 to 90%, I'm just going to go there. You can go to Lifecoin. I just created a simple portfolio and put one quantity for some of the coins. If you sort out by 30 days, you can see these are all red. Look at Ring, Dow, Klima, down from the all-time high. They have lost almost 99%, 97% from the all-time high. Even
Wow.
Time Wonderland dropped to 1005. So they have lost all the money they've ever gained over even at the last 90 cent, and they are down 83%, 85 from the all-time high. And the all-time high was $10,000. Today is 1,005. Hero also lost 60 over percent. All-time high was 25 cents. Right now they are 9 cents, guys. So across the board, they have blocked for some reason still. Even looking at the 90 days average, they are still up by 55%. So good time if you're looking for some of the coins to get in. Rome down, TCP down except for the 7 day. They seem to have bumped up a bit, about 10%. AVAX also is about 5x. Luna, we have all, look at this, Hector, IX Swap, CRO is about a 4x. It's a 50% discount. If you're looking to actually get a credit card, this is a good time to just pump some money and get a credit card. Of course, different countries may apply to different laws, so do check that terms and condition. We have MNG also, although they had a very nice run. Right now they are trading at about 9 cents. Am I right? Yes, they are trading
Yeah,
at 9
9 cents.
cents, and all-time high was 21 cents. They are down by 50%, but they still over in the 90 days period is about 171. We have VRA. This is a crazy percentage. They have crossed 1 year, so this is something that you guys want to look at. It's only 2 cents. Again, these are not financial advice, guys. These are some coins that we keep eye on. So we have Traveler. We like to travel because Root Zone is about lifestyle. When you hit that 1 million dollars, and Mana Decentraland. If you look at Mana, they it's at 26x. So far, they are holding it well in terms of being in the meta space. Of course, the height was about $5. Right now, it's a 50% discount if you're getting into Decentralands. And then I'm just looking at Sandbox, same thing, 10k. Bitcoin, of course, they lost all levels, down by 30%, but they still hold up about 20%, right? Shiba Inu. So when you look across the board, sooner or later, look at Titano. So Titano still holding up about 4x because they are new coin, and this is over the last 30 days. They have not crossed 90 days yet, so not even 3 months, guys, and they are 4x. Tomb is also another good avenue, which we'll be covering soon, based on the Phantom network. We have Strong, we have Charge. So look at Matic, also 69%. So some of the coins, guys, if you look across the board, they're all red. So once you have everything else in red, it means all the money has been wiped out from the market. And for them to actually beat the all-time high, all of these parameters have to be green. So just wanted to share with you guys that you understand how to know whether there's a lot of fake out. This is one way to look into that. The other way, of course, is to look at the blockchain, number of transaction, number of wallet holders, selling pressure, mindset of the buyers, and you have to look at the nature of the project. Does it incentivize people to be hodlers? If you don't have hodlers in a project, the project cannot run. It takes money to make money. So understand that fundamentals. So let's look at the total market cap. Right now, $2 trillion. We had a slight dip here. Of course, if you look across the board, last change, all of it is red, guys. So it's still squeezing further. Could it be a play? At this point of time, no one knows. But everybody, from what I know, they are gearing up for this first quarter because there's a lot of moving parts. It's not only in the crypto space, but it's also affecting the US stock market. There's a lot of turmoil, but be steadfast, guys. One person just told me, just don't look at your portfolio for 1 year. Maybe that's a good strategy. I don't know. Imagine the Shiba guy buying 8,000 US dollars and becoming a billionaire after 1 year. Probably he also forgot that he actually owned Shiba coins, right? So your $1 Shiba coins equates to 51,000. This was covered, I think, couple of months back by myself and Manish. So think about that. Don't cave in. Just stay on course. The market cannot remain at 3 trillion. You understand the value of this technology. It is here to stay. It will double in time. When? No one knows. So just uh, you know use the opportunity to actually buy projects, because myself and Manish, to be honest, last year alone, we thought that okay, the crypto is like it's going to be stagnant, and lo and behold, after 3 months, suddenly just one day everything exploded after the B word that was hosted by some of the top three CEOs. I think we had the Twitter founder. What is his name?
Yeah,
Uh,
Jack Dorsey.
Jack Dorsey. We had Tesla, Elon Musk, and we had the lady from Art. Forgot her name. Do let us know in the channel. So those people actually came in, and for some reason the market just took off, and then Bitcoin had its all-time high. So it will happen again, guys. Markets move up and down. It's a cycle. Don't panic. Just hang in there. So if you're new to this channel, of course, you can join us on Root Zone. We have about 400 over videos, another 600 over more to go. Manish covers a lot of the how-tos as well as an upcoming NFT. So stay tuned, join our Telegram group and ask the questions. The most very active community. We kept it small, don't like a big group. But we are growing every day. So we also cover the tokenomics and a lot of the how-tos. So that's all we have today, guys.
So before we end up, tweet of the day. Okay. So CoinGecko has tweeted, Monetary Authority of Singapore issued a new guidelines barring digital payment tokens providers from advertising in a public space. However, the DPT companies can still promote their services on their native website and mobile applications. So they have a concern when you try to influence about this crypto market or cryptocurrencies. So the DPT providers can still promote their products on their specific website and the mobile applications only. Yeah, so that's all with this, guys. See you tomorrow.
Yep, guys. Take care. See you tomorrow,
Take
same
care.
time, same channel. Bye.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?